Senior Quiz 2. The first question. Which is the source of principal energy on earth? The answer is the sun. Second question. Which country is called the land of the rising sun? Japan. Third question. What is the most spoken language on earth? It is the Chinese language. We call it Mandarin. Fourth question. Who was assassinated on the 30th of January 1948? It was Mahatma Gandhi. Fifth question. What is the basic law of magnetism? Like poles repel, unlike poles attract. Sixth question. Who founded the Marathi daily paper Kesari? It was Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Seventh question. The consort of Rama was Sita. Who was the consort of Lakshmana? It was Urmila. Eighth question. What is a brochure? It's a short printed book or a pamphlet. Ninth question. What is the name of the script used to write Hindi? The answer is Devanagari. 10th question. What is the origin of the word language? The origin is from Latin. Lingua means tongue. So what's spoken from the tongue, we call it as language. The next question. What do you call a person in charge of a museum? Curator. Curator. 12th question. In which year did the Great Russian Revolution take place? (1917). 13th question. Name the pink city of India. Jaipur, the capital of Rajasthan. 14th question. When is Diamond Jubilee celebrated? (75th year). 15th. From which element is diamond derived? It's from carbon. 16th question. What is hydroponics? Hydroponics means soil-less gardening. Soil-less gardening. 17th question. What is insomnia? Sleeplessness or inability to sleep. 18th question. What do you mean by PVC? Polyvinyl chloride. It's the pipes we used, plastic pipes. Polyvinyl chloride. When a human being experiences fear, which hormone is secreted? It is adrenaline. Adrenaline. How many legs has a lobster? 10. A lobster has 10 legs. What is the normal output of blood by the human heart in a minute? It is 4.5 liters. 4.5 liters. 22nd question. What is the antibacterial advantage in sucking a cut finger? The presence of lysosome in saliva. Lysosome is an antibacterial enzyme. 23rd question. What is a pachyderm? A thick-skinned animal, an elephant or a rhinoceros. 24th question. What do you mean by the art of bonsai? Art of dwarfing trees. It's been perfected by the Japanese. The last question, the 25th one. What do you mean by a square peg in a round hole? It means a misfit. A misfit. Thank you.